with Lodge.
What?
This is great with
The
Lodge.
deepest, darkest part of the Forbidden Forest.
Where can we go to Great Wolf Lodge again?
Huh?
When can we go to Great Wolf Lodge again? It's right there.
Hey, Em, take your binky out.
Lodge is right there. When can we go there again? Dad, Great Wolf Lodge is right there.
Oh, where?
Right there. There.
You're kidding.
Oh my gosh.
That's Great Wolf Lodge.
How do you know?
Because there's a sign over there that said Great Wolf Lodge.
Oh, interesting.
Oh my goodness, look at that giant dog. See that?
Right there?
See? Great Wolf Lodge.
Oh.
Oh, cool.
Look at that giant dog. Look at that giant dog. Hey Dad, why are we going here?
Going where?
Here.
Where?
Great Wolf Lodge.
What about it?
We gotta check in our hotel room.
Are we going here?
Take out your binky, Em.
We're going here? Did you bring your binky?
Sure did.
Yes, we did.
We're here?
Yeah.
Oh, why didn't you tell us?
Put your foot down.
Do you want to come here?
Do you want to spend the night?
Yeah!
Do you want to spend the night?
Yeah!
Are you sure?
Yeah!
We can go back to Columbus.
No!
All right, let's get
All
out.
right, let's go.
You really did bring the binky?
Brought all your stuff.
Wait, why didn't you tell us that?
Surprise!
Surprise!
Why didn't you tell us?